Finally, ending procrastination for good. Hey, Scott Haug here. In today's video, we're going to be taking you through procrastination secrets, how to overcome procrastination and end it for good. Now, let's go through this right away because procrastination, if you have any of that in your life, and I certainly have it in my life when I had to really start improving and working on things, procrastination can really put a dent in your dreams and goals, right? It's like you want better for your life, you know what to do half the time, but it's like we don't do it. And it can cause a lot of disheartening feelings and it can be very frustrating and very irritating. So let's go through several secrets in this video that if you apply them right away, it will help you tremendously. Helps me in my life and helps me with all my clients as well. Let's get to secret number one right away. And that secret is understanding why procrastination happens in the first place. When you know why something happens, it's a lot easier to overcome it and change it. Two main core reasons why procrastination happens. Number one is the fear is way bigger than the desire. And that fear shows up in uncomfort, doubt, worries, anxiety, any of that stuff. So if I'm going out there and doing something I've never done before, it's going to be very uncomfortable. It's going to come with doubts, uncertainty, risk maybe. And that allows me to procrastinate, me to not do that thing. Because again, the fear is higher than the desire. So if my fear is higher than my desire, I'll hold myself back, justify why I don't have to go do that thing. Right? So the fear is bigger than where I ultimately want to go. The second core reason, and this can be both of them together or one or the other, is you're procrastinating on something you actually don't even want to do at all. Okay? And that can be something like, somebody told you to go do something, and it's like, I just don't really want to even do that. I'm not scared of it. I'm not uncomfortable. I'm not overthinking. I'm not worried about it. I just don't want to go do that thing. Right? And we procrastinate on the things that we don't want to do, that sometimes we feel is a requirement, mandatory, any of that stuff, maybe a responsibility of some sort. So those two core reasons, there's many different reasons underlying procrastination, but those are the two very fundamental core reasons why anybody procrastinates in the first place. If our desire is bigger than our fear, we won't procrastinate. If we're going to do things that we want to do, we're not going to procrastinate. Think about the last time that you really wanted to go and do something. You wanted to go to the movie theater with some friends or a partner. You wanted to go and explore a nature spot, a mountain, a hill. You wanted to do hiking, something like that. You were very excited for it. Did you procrastinate on that? Absolutely not. Right? You're excited for it. You feel it's going to be fun, even if it is something for the first time, and you're just going to do that thing, right? The excitement outweighs the uncomfort and the fear, okay? So very, very important. Secret number two, and we're going to start to say, like, how do I overcome all this, right? Secret number two is understanding that in order for me to get to where I want to get to, I need to overcome number one. I need to increase my desire for the thing that I'm going to do, therefore outweighing my fear. Or I need to start doing more of the things that I want to do, or if I have to do that thing, it's a requirement, it's mandatory for me to do that thing even though I don't want to do it, changing my perspective about that thing. So number two is starting to do some internal work. How do you increase your desire? You take a look at why you want that thing in the first place and what's making you feel excited about it, or what could you make you feel excited about that thing. So if you're uncomfortable about doing a certain action, you say, on the other side of this, what am I going to get? On the other side of this, what gold is going to come back to me? And gold not meaning actual gold, but golden nuggets, golden growth moments. What's going to happen for me? So you want to really step into increasing the desire, increasing that feeling within you about the thing. Very important. If you're on the other side of just doing something you don't want to do, again, maybe it's a requirement. Maybe you have to do it. Maybe it's a responsibility of some sort. It's your responsibility to change your perspective about it. What is good in this scenario that I can learn from? What could I enjoy? What could I allow myself, even though I don't want to do this thing, how can I show up better and think about other people rather than myself? See, often our challenge and trouble is I'm thinking about myself. I want to do that thing because I don't feel like doing it, right? But maybe it's going to help somebody else, right? So instead of me thinking about I don't feel like doing it, instead think that's going to really help that person. And I'm a very helpful person. I'm very service oriented, and I would really love to go and help that person. So I change my perspective. I change my thinking around the scenario. It's going to free up your energy and it's going to really help you move some things forward. So I hope that makes sense so far. Secret number 3 is very, very crucial as well. Most people have very chaotic lives. There's a million things going on all the time. They have 10 different businesses they're trying out, 10 different things over here they're doing, all these different things, a million things going on in a day. Sometimes procrastination can actually result in those 2 core reasons, plus also feeling total chaos, which stops us in our tracks. So what we can do is dial it back just a little bit and say, what is the number 1 most important thing that if I did that thing, it'll allow all my other areas to expand and be better? What is that one thing? That one thing may be the uncomfortable action you need to do in your business, or in switching jobs, or in the relationship, or in the fitness health side of things, maybe in your friendship, whatever it is. What one thing out of all the chaos that's going on in my life right now, what is the thing I'm procrastinating on most that if I just focus on that one thing will allow my life to expand and be better than ever before? This type of thinking will allow you to get out of the trenches of the chaos and so much going on in your life and allow you to just zone in and focus. Focus on the one thing that's going to really improve your life. So these 3 secrets here, if you feel into them and you actually be here with the exercise of doing the things I mentioned, will allow you to overcome procrastination in any single area of life. And here is bonus secret as well. It's our 4th one, but it's a bonus because we did the 3 main ones and now it's a bonus, okay? The bonus is you have to believe in yourself. So you want to start doing more self-confidence and self-love exercises, because we also procrastinate sometimes because we just don't believe in ourselves. We don't believe we can do it. We don't believe it's going to happen for us. So allow yourself to be as self-absorbed with actual self-love exercises and different things that allow you to increase your confidence. And how you might do something like that is doing mirror work. You look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love you to yourself from yourself. You do your self-love exercise. You actually tell yourself, I am growing in confidence. I am growing in belief about who I am. So you do affirmations and you feel into them every day, looking yourself dead in the eyes in the mirror. Easier than it sounds. If you've never tried anything like that, the first time you look at yourself in the mirror, you might not actually want to look. You might say, I love you to yourself, and you might feel a little icky feeling, okay? That is a telltale sign that some things internally will want to start shifting because you don't believe enough in yourself, you don't love yourself enough, and that allows you to procrastinate on your dreams because you just don't feel like you're adequate enough. Stop comparing yourself to other people. You are an amazing human being. That's why you're listening to this video. That's why you're in personal development. That's why you like to grow. That's why you're expanding your mind, right? You're an amazing individual with an amazing ability about yourself. I don't care who you are, okay? You were put on this earth for a distinct reason and purpose, I believe. Do you believe that? If you don't believe, borrow my belief in you, that it's absolutely possible for you to do something extraordinary in this lifetime. Nobody ever said that you could not. Even if your parent or guardian or siblings or whoever told you that, they were just giving their pain to you, and they actually didn't know what they were talking about. So you want to listen more to yourself. Listen to more people that are living their dreams, because you know what they're going to do for you? They're going to encourage you to live yours. And that's what I'm doing for you right now. And I encourage you to live more of your dream, accept who you are more, accept who you're becoming more. It's going to allow you to end procrastination for good and allow yourself to feel much better about where you're going. Haug signing off here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And in the comment section below, stay accountable. Let us know. Did you do the first exercise and really understand the second exercise of changing your desire more and increasing that? Did you change your perspective about your scenario that you're required or have to do as a responsibility? Let us know in the comments below what you've been able to do through this video and information, and how far you've come from where you started before the video and after you actually did the exercises. I look forward to seeing you over in the next video.